Unbelievable results! See how to use Chat GPT-4 to make business explode. Do you struggle with developing new business ideas or strategies? Or are you looking for a way to unlock new possibilities for your products or services? If so, then you are in the right place for the best advice. This video will introduce you to ChatGPT for Business, sharing insider secrets or utilizing this powerful AI tool to revitalize your business strategy and product development. For those of you who do not know yet, ChatGPT is a powerful AI system that can help you generate ideas and strategies for your business through natural language interaction. It uses advanced natural language processing to analyze your prompts and generate output, enabling you to quickly gain insights that would usually take hours of detailed research. AI systems can collaborate with humans in new and exciting ways and will soon allow business owners and managers to make competition-beating decisions. But there is a caveat. The output from AI systems is generated directly from the input, implying that low-quality input will result in poor output. This video will take you to the first step towards becoming an AI super user, ensuring that you and your business can reap maximum benefit from your AI interactions. Getting started couldn't be simpler. First, visit the website www.openai.org. Navigate to ChatGPT and get yourself signed up and signed in. Once you have created an account and logged on, simply type your question into the send message bar, hit enter, and get some incredible AI-generated feedback. The user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone, regardless of technical expertise. And with its advanced natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can understand and respond to your prompts in a way that feels like conversing with a natural person. So, whether you're looking to generate new business ideas, create a strategy for your company, or source materials for a new product, ChatGPT is ready to help at a fraction of the cost a business coach or consultant would charge. Learning to prompt is the first and foremost skill you will need to generate quality output. Prompting is the term used to describe the process of entering information into AI systems, and to get the most out of ChatGPT, you must know how to prompt the AI system effectively. The quality of the output you receive is directly related to the quality of your input prompts. Prompting can be a superpower when using ChatGPT, as it allows you to explore new ideas and perspectives you may not have considered before. We will share some highly effective and little-known prompting techniques later in the video, so be sure to watch until the end. Prompting AI systems can be analogs to the art of conversation or police interrogation, and the more you practice, the better your prompts will become. But it can be challenging to craft the perfect prompt. Luckily, there are resources available to help you improve your prompting skills. One excellent resource is learnprompting.org, a website that teaches users how to create effective prompts for ChatGPT. They offer a variety of tips and techniques for crafting competition-defeating prompts that will help you get the most out of ChatGPT. With the right prompting skills, you can unlock even more possibilities, and that is for your business with ChatGPT by delving deeper and extracting core nuggets of pure informational gold. One last tip on prompting in ChatGPT is to be specific about your industry, your location, and how long you've been in business with your objectives. Being specific allows ChatGPT to generate ideas and strategies tailored to your unique challenges. Some users may justifiably feel uncomfortable sharing too much personal information with ChatGPT. For instance, we recommend that when sharing your location, mention only your town and suburb, not your actual physical address. The same question. Since ChatGPT is available to everyone, it's not impossible that someone else may be asking the same questions as you are. Theoretically, that could sink your chances of using AI to gain a competitive advantage, since your competition will be getting the same advice as you are. The advantage could be regained by having ChatGPT make self-criticism. Self-criticism is one of the most powerful prompting techniques. Few others even know it exists. Asking ChatGPT to criticize its feedback is an excellent way of doing a SWOT analysis of the ideas generated. Once ChatGPT has poked holes in its own ideas, you can start prompting the AI for step-by-step procedures to overcome the hurdles it has identified. Criticism can be incredibly helpful when refining your ideas and ensuring they're viable for your business. You can use ChatGPT's feedback to identify potential roadblocks and find ways to overcome them, making your goals even more achievable. The potential issues that ChatGPT identifies lead you to the next step of asking for suggestions or addressing on them, adding unstoppable momentum to refining your vision and making it more viable in the long run. With ChatGPT's help, you can create better, more practical ideas for your business, and by using its self-criticism, you can make sure the ideas are solid and ready for action, thereby making your business goals more achievable. If you want to learn more about prompting, be sure to subscribe to our channel as we are developing content on prompting techniques that will take your ChatGPT game to the next level. The next aspect of prompting we will deal with is getting ChatGPT to roleplay the part of a business consultant who can evaluate your operation from the point of view of their specialty, be that law, logistics, business coaching, or any other type of consultant. Persona prompting allows you to ask ChatGPT to answer the same question from different perspectives. For example, you can ask it to respond as an accountant, profit-hungry entrepreneur, or fire safety inspector. These variations will task ChatGPT to assume different personas and generate various potentially insightful outputs. By asking ChatGPT to assume different personas, you can gain insights into how various people might view your business and its objectives. It can also get specialist advice. Prompting the AI to act as a lawyer, you can ask ChatGPT to explain the regulatory environment applicable to your industry and to name the municipal bylaws associated with those regulations in your town. You will be surprised at how accurate ChatGPT is when prompted properly. Role-designated prompts will also help refine your thought process because it enables you to develop a holistic view of the business landscape, generate more robust ideas, and gain deeper insight into goal-achieving strategies. Lastly, you must be specific. ChatGPT doesn't read between the lines or react to what you mean. It can only react to what you have entered. Be specific when prompting ChatGPT about your business and objectives, even when role-playing or prompting for feedback from a persona point of view. Always be perfectly clear about what you want. Ask point blankly about the exact thing you want to know about. If it's how to make more profit, increase your turnover, or pad your balance sheet to make a bank loan more likely, be upfront with the AI about what you need from it. Clear mission parameters will help you unlock even more possibilities for your business, enabling you to achieve more significant growth and reach goals sooner. Next, we will examine how to use ChatGPT to explore business strategies. Generating strategies is one of the most powerful ways to use ChatGPT for your business. When first delving into business strategies, examining what your competition is doing is helpful. You can ask ChatGPT to describe or summarize your competitor's strategy or field tactics. Let it point out both their strengths and weaknesses. ChatGPT is excellent at creating summaries of large info dumps and will enable you to generate an accurate SWOT analysis on competitors quickly. Once the AI has helped you gain a clear view of your competitors or similar company strategies, you will quickly gain insights into your strengths and weaknesses, allowing you to create more effective roadmaps for your company. But getting a mission statement or strategy is only half the battle. The other half is implementation. Luckily, ChatGPT can help you with this too. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create a step-by-step roadmap to implementation, helping you to stay on track and achieve your goals. Furthermore, if you're concerned about the financial aspects of your strategy, ChatGPT can help with that too. Ask ChatGPT to create a concept budget based on your available funds, helping you to understand your strategy's financial requirements. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel as we will be posting some in-depth tutorials on using ChatGPT for business strategy and creative service development. Besides generating business strategies, ChatGPT can also help you source ideas, materials, recipes, or even suppliers for your new products or services. ChatGPT's vast knowledge base and ability to learn and understand complex concepts can help you unlock new ideas and insights you may not have thought of before. And suppose you're at a point where you need to start developing new products or services. The AI can propose new and innovative concepts and help guide you through the entire process, from development to actual product delivery. ChatGPT can even suggest manufacturing and assembly instructions or step-by-step explanations for manufacturing something it has envisioned. The AI may get some details spectacularly wrong, but it all will help you progress in the right direction. And while this may sound somewhat far-fetched, I dare you to try it and be amazed at the response. Once again, the accuracy of prompting will be the critical factor in getting good answers. While it may not be technically perfect, ChatGPT can help you forge ahead in the right direction, saving you time, resources, and more. Chat GPT can help you find suppliers for your new products or services, ensuring you have the materials and resources to bring your ideas to life. So whether you're looking for ideas, materials, or suppliers, Chat GPT can be an invaluable tool for your business. Its ability to learn and understand the complex concepts makes it a powerful ally in unlocking new possibilities and helping you succeed. Prompting Chat GPT to think outside of the box for new product ideas can inspire your creativity. We will post a range of content designed to help you become a Chat GPT super user and propel your business into the stratosphere. So remember to follow our channel to ensure you don't miss out on the latest and most effective tutorials on interacting successfully with AI. Remember that our AI experts are watching the replies to this video to see what content you want us to cover in future videos. Feel free to comment and we will look into addressing your questions. So, if you're looking for a way to unlock new possibilities for your business, try Chat GPT. Its powerful AI and innovative technology makes it the perfect tool for any entrepreneur or a business owner. Thanks for your interest in using AI to create a better world for all. Catch you next time!